Hey guys, Kingu here today for the Tech World. Today I have a technology software review for you guys for the guys at Image Converter Plus. They were nice enough to send me and a couple of people on YouTube some review copies of their software, which it says it's the best image converter in the industry, and I really can't argue with it because it's not even a converter, but it does much more than converting. It does really a whole bunch of cool editing and resizing, little touch-up stuff, but it does it really quick, makes it convenient and efficient, and it's not like Photoshop or anything like that, but kind of those right-click convert to type stuff, and it does a really, like I said, not only converting JPEG to BMP type stuff, but resizing, rotating, gamma up, gamma down, that type of stuff. So you can really touch up your photo quickly and really efficiently, and the conversion on this thing is amazing, and how time efficient. It's really awesome. So you can get the program for free as a free trial, and you can actually buy it for, I believe, $40, somewhere around there. You get a whole bunch of discounts. They have a lot of cool discounts. But not only that, it's just really awesome. And here's some of the list of the most favorite features over at their site, which will be in the video link to this video description to the right of the video. Has support for a conversion of over 800 image format dialects. And you can click this and it'll give you an A through Z list of all the files it supports. So pretty much any type of file you have, it'll probably support converting, the conversion of that file format with over 800, plus types. Advanced image resizing, so it can, for wallpapers, maybe you need to fit a wallpaper for your monitor so it looks, top quality, or you have to resize a photo for a friend, or resize something for an avatar, a thumbnail, whatever it may be. Time efficient. It really does save time because of the quick ways you can set these, what they call profiles or scripts, which I'll show you later on. You can do command line batch conversion, which is really awesome stuff as well if you want to do a little CLI interface type stuff. Right click conversion, I'll again show you what that is. That's just a whole convert to thing that adds within your Windows menu. And you can make thumbnails, so those are just some of the favorite features. And I'm going to go ahead and go into the application right now. It's really cool. So minimize this over here. And here's the application. Really simple interface. It looks really awesome. And, not too much going on here, but, it's really featured packed, and I'm going to show you all the stuff it has. So just as a simple two-column interface, and when you actually open up the application, it plays a flash video of a tour that you can take of the application, so that's really cool. Here up here is what your profiles or your scripts I was talking about that they have preset by default for you, but I'm going to go ahead and make one just for the purpose of this video. So this is a conversion menu right here, and you have a whole bunch of other features I'll show you in a second. But if you want to save an image, for example, let's say we want to set a profile or a script to save an image as a JPEG, or JPEG. And I'll tell it where I want it to locate it, so where I want it to, send the file to or save it to. And these little plus signs right here will give you those advanced options if you want to get some more features like the quality, and you can go into more if you want, and you'll go into even more, image details and stuff like that. And for example, if I hit this, it would say, I can put into subfolders, target folder conversion, create a log file so I know where everything's going. I can check on that later. It's really advanced stuff. Now right here, operations with the target file name. So where you want, the type of name it's going to give the file. So I'm going to right click this, and I can, or not right click, but just click this little three dots here, and I can, give it multiple things. So I can say the day I converted it, what it is in size, that type of stuff. But I'm just going to say I want it to put the result image file type. So it's going to put these two things. You can add multiple names. So right now it's going to give me the source type and the file type. That's what's going to name my converted image. I'm going to go ahead and hit save as. I'm going to say you want to name it something like, I'm going to say convert to JPEG, and then I'm going to hit save. And then now when I go over to my pictures, and let's see, let's find a good picture here. My Tech World logo, for example, let's say, I need to convert it to a JPEG. It is a JPEG, so actually maybe I might not want to use that one. Let's try something that isn't a JPEG. Sorry, I just got a whole bunch of folders in here. Most of these are JPEG, so what I'm gonna do is here. Actually, let me change this. That's great. You can change it. I'll say BMP instead. Should have thought about it earlier. But save, or save as I should say, and then change that to convert to BMP. Save that ICP file, which is image converter profile file. And then now, let's say, my friend needs it as a BMP file. Right click it, and I'll wait for that menu to pop up. It'll give me a thumbnail of the information. I'll say convert to BMP, and put it in my pictures. And as I click that, it's going to load, and you guys can't see it, but in the bottom right, it says a little processing name. You see this little processing menu while it converts the file. And it converted it, so now I just need to go find it. It'll be right here. .jpeg.bmp, kind of give it a weird name because of the way I put the file source type. So I'm going to double click it and let it open. And there it is, and it looks awesome. The quality, it's kind of zoomed in, but look how fine detailed the quality is. And I only set it to 85% quality, so if you even want to touch up photos, it's really, really awesome at that. So it's awesome at converting, does it quick, it gives you it efficiently because it puts it in that, that right-click Windows menu for any of your pictures. You don't actually have to physically drag it in to this thing. If you want, you can drag a whole bunch of images into the program and convert it, or you can just go through manually, right-click them and convert them. Now, if you see right here, up here, it says operations before save. You can add certain operations. So not only converting, but you can do resizing, rotating, cropping, canvas, mirror, brightness, contrast. This is really cool for making logos if you want to use a mirror effect. Color profiles, color effects, gamma, meta tag field, page filter, replace color, or a watermark. And I'm not going to show you all of these. I just want to show you them because I don't have enough time in the video to show you all of these different type of things. But so you can convert it and make it into a watermark. You can convert it, and then after it's a watermark, you can resize it. So you can add multiple operations. So like right now, for example, it's not only going to convert it to a BMP file, it's then going to apply a watermark. It's going to make it into a watermark, and then it's going to, what do you call that? I guess rotate it if I wanted to rotate to a certain angle. Or I can even, say make it a watermark, convert it to a BMP, and then add a brightness, contrast, and increase the brightness and contrast all at the same time. So you can add multiple operations for like three operations to one file type, and it'll do it all in one go. So it's really, really convenient. Awesome program, guys. Highly recommend you check it out, guys. It's $40, I believe, for one license. I'm around there. I'm gonna leave the link to their site in the video description. And again, look at all these operations. You can pretty much, if you want to, add all of these operations. So you can tell it to resize the image, convert it to a PSD, give it a mirror effect, increase the gamma, and then you can go ahead and do all those conversions, send it off to a friend who may need it, or maybe you need to convert it to a thumbnail for your blog, or an avatar for your Twitter profile, whatever it may be. All those sites that require a certain size, you can just resize it quickly in Image Converter. Really convenient application, guys. Highly recommend it. For anything on the web. If you're a blogger and you really always need photos for your blog, if you're you just need an icon for your websites, an avatar, all of this stuff is really, really useful. And especially if you're a photographer, check this out, guys. Really, really useful app. Again, I want to thank the guys who sent it over. Check it out at imageconverterplus.com. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe.